Why, hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today we're doing Brahms Waltz from Suzuki Violin Book 2, tutorial and playthrough. If you want the playthrough, use the chapters below and skip ahead, tutorial. I'm going to be honest, this was my nemesis when I was listening. It caused me so much pain. Oh, but let's not let that be you. I figured out the two things that we need to work on and address to make this sound awesome. Part 1, bowings. Alright, so this is not a surprise, bowings, right? That's how we make our sound. The difficulty is we need to start in the middle of the bow, do 4 eighth notes of value down bow and 2 up bow, and recover to the same spot that we started. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I like to think of it like you're getting ready to spring up in a trampoline. You're gonna bend your legs and then jump. Woo, woo. Okay, so you have to sort of build up that energy and you pop. So that's the same thing. We want to build up energy and then pop with the arm. Okay. Once we can get that, we need to do the string crossings for the first 2 measures, which will be A, D, D, A, D, D, A, like this. That is the part that caused me the most trouble when I was a student. So just practice that over and over. You should be good. Next, fingering. That's part 2. What we have to do is walking fingers. So in the first 2 measures, we have 1 on the A crossing to D3. So 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. Notice that my 1 is just staying there, hanging out, walking over to 3 and back. Okay? Very simple in that concept, very quiet hand. Alright? Next, measure 3. Now, measure 3. Look at this, right? This is, what the heck? Look at that. Those little notes there, we call those grace notes. They're ornamentation. There's something extra, kind of like a little show-off fanciness that we're going to do. It should sound like this. Measure 3. Right? 2, 3, 2, 1, A. Let's just do the 2, 3, 2 on the down bow. Again. So down, up, up. Let's add them together. Again. 2, 3, 2, 1, A. Great. The last difficulty is measure 4. So what we have is 1 on the A, but then we're going to cross to D3, and then 3 on the A after it. So what I like to do is just jam my finger in between the D and the A so it doesn't really have to move. So 1, 3, 3, 3. See? So it's just there. I don't have to move. So 1, 3, 3, 3, but it just stays in the middle. I'll show you here. That's it. So it just plays. So I don't have to hop my finger around. Alright, once we can practice all of those elements, we are ready for the playthrough. Here we go. Moderato. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, how'd you do? Nemesis defeated? I hope so. And I will see you in the next video. Like, share, subscribe. Hope this helped out. I will see you in the next video. Bye.